The sparrow is a small, familiar bird found on every continent except Antarctica. These energetic creatures are part of the Passeridae family, with over 35 species worldwide. Sparrows are known for their distinctive features. They have a stout, compact body, short neck, and a conical beak, perfect for cracking seeds. Their feathers are usually brown, tan, or gray, providing excellent camouflage in their natural habitats. The sparrow's flight is a marvel of efficiency. They beat their wings 15 to 20 times per second, generating lift with each stroke. This rapid flapping allows them to take off from the ground in just a few wing beats. The sparrow's diet consists primarily of seeds, grains, and insects. They have a unique way of eating sunflower seeds. They crack them open by holding the seed between their feet and whacking it against a hard surface. Sparrows are fascinating birds with interesting behaviors. For example, they are territorial and will defend their territory from other sparrows. They also communicate using a series of chirps and trills. Sparrows play an essential role in their ecosystems. They help control insect populations and spread seeds through their droppings, aiding in plant germination. In human culture, the sparrow is often seen as a symbol of simplicity and humility. It's a reminder that even the smallest creatures can make a significant impact. Sparrows are adaptable and resilient birds, able to survive in a variety of environments. However, they face challenges due to habitat loss and climate change. By protecting their habitats and promoting conservation efforts, we can help ensure these tiny aviators continue to grace our skies for generations to come. So, the next time you spot a sparrow, take a moment to appreciate this tiny marvel of nature. Its simple beauty is a testament to the wonders of the natural world.